Open to parcels and take out all accessories required for installation. Remove the protective sleeve under backrest. Lift up the backrest. Align and press its pin shaft into the U-shaped slot on the main unit to secure it in place. Flip up the backrest until you hear a click. Take out the left armrest and connect its air tubes based on color. Align and secure the pin shaft of the armrest into the backrest slot. Place a gasket and fix the screw to the armrest using a hex wrench. Install the right armrest firmly based on the same steps. Align the connection slots to secure the shoulder side panel in place. Connect air tubes firmly. Install the other side based on the same steps. Remove the hoop and loose fasteners from backrest pad. Flip down the backrest pad to lay it flat. Connect the heating wires. Flip over the pillow. Release the hoop and loose fastener on the leather strip. Flip it up and attach it to pad. Install the seat cushion. Place the remote controller into the storage pocket. Connect the air tube and power cord respectively. Plug in the power. Press the switch to on. Press the power button on the controller to enjoy a wonderful massage.